Are you ready to take your trading game to the next level this 2025? Whether you're just starting or you are already experienced, having the right tools can give you a serious edge in the financial market. In today's video, I am sharing the 5 must-have apps every serious forex trader needs to succeed in the fast-paced forex market. And here's the best part, guys. I have included all the important links in the description box below to help you get started right away. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Yes, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any of our important updates to improve your trading journey. Now, let's dive right in. And the first in our list is the MT4 and the MT5. These two platforms are the backbone of any trader's toolkit. They are user-friendly and packed with essential features like real-time quotes, customizable charts, and advanced order types. Whether you are scalping, day trading, or swing trading, MT4 and MT5 ensures seamless execution of trades. Next up, we have TradingView, the ultimate tool for technical analysis. TradingView provides access to powerful charting tools, hundreds of indicators, and a vibrant community of traders sharing insights and strategies. Whether you're identifying trends, drawing support and resistance levels, or backtesting strategies, TradingView is your go-to app for making informed trading decisions. Plus, the sleek interface, well, it makes it a pleasure to use. Now, let's talk about Forex Factory. The Forex Factory calendar keeps you updated on global economic events, their potential impacts, and how they can influence market movements. Staying informed about key events like interest rate decisions, non-farm payrolls, or GDP reports can help you avoid unnecessary losses and even spot trading opportunities. And if you're looking for a reliable forex broker, the Exness app is hands down the best choice. It allows you to create and manage your trading account with ease. Exness is known for its tight spreads, fast withdrawals, and excellent customer support. Whether you're opening a demo or live account, the Exness app makes the process seamless and secure. I have been trading with Exness for a while now, and it's been nothing short of amazing, guys. If you're ready to get started, check the link in the description box below to sign up with Exness today. So there you have it, guys, the 5 must-have apps every forex trader needs in 2025, with MT4 or MT5 for executing trades, TradingView for technical analysis, Forex Factory for staying updated on economic news and events, and last but not the least, your Exness trading app for managing your accounts. All right, you have everything you need to trade confidently and effectively. So guys, make sure to check the description box below for all the important links, including how to sign up with Exness, the best recommended forex broker in the industry, guys. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow traders, and don't forget, guys, to subscribe. Yes, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will never miss an important video like this. Until next time, guys, it's your boy CruiseFX, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.
Trade smart, leave smart.